Hey, I have a second channel, cubecompmtdx.
Hey everybody, so I've had to take an opportunity to give you guys another update. It's November 14th, 2022. I recently did a video regarding updates on things. It's been a little while since I've done regular videos on Q channel. So the previous video was talking about the back door. So I had to replace the 3 back doors in this home, and I spent 1 weekend each getting them put in. Roughed in, really, to be honest. Still got a little bit of work left to do on getting things finished up with the trim and stuff like that. But honestly, another thing, I've just decided to take some time off of YouTube. Now I do have a few videos that I shot a little while back that I need to get posted. But it's actually been a good 2 or 3 weeks since I've worked on any computers or anything in the tech room. I've just had to take some time off to take care of some things around the house, like with the doors, and also just take some time off for my mental health. If you look back on Cucumber channel throughout this year, I have spent a lot of time and effort getting material posted on the channel, considering last year, at this time, I was tied up with the home project. I was actually living back with my parents, and every bit of quote-unquote free time was spent over here working on this home, getting it ready for the certificate of occupancies. That way I could move back in and take my life off of pause. So, I mean, despite being moved back in over here, the home project really has continued on. I mean, I've worked on various things like the back doors, among other things with the home, getting this wood stove in, other miscellaneous odds and ends. And as you may imagine, for those of you who work a full-time job, you know how a typical 40-hour week already takes up a lot of your time. I was doing that and also doing uploads for Cube Computer Channel and cubecompmtdx. Cubecompmtdx in particular is very time-consuming during the summertime because I upload videos of thunderstorms to that channel, and when you're editing hours and hours worth of thunderstorm footage, I mean, that definitely is time consuming. But so yeah, it's safe to say that I've spent a lot of time dealing with YouTube videos, and I posted a video a little while back. I think it'll be up here once I flip the video around. A little card there. It's a video I shot back in the summer, talking about the return on investment of putting the time and effort into this channel, and I can say that I have seen some pretty good stats this year as far as viewership and things like that. The way YouTube works is just so flippin' weird. Like, one video in particular is a video that I shot not long after I moved back in here. It was a video of me resurrecting an OfficeJet, I think 8600 printer. Video I never really intended to get a whole lot of attention. Well, it's got, what, 6,000 or 8,000 views or so now. It's just, YouTube is so weird. But yet, videos I put hours and hours of effort into may be lucky to get 1,000 views. So yeah, again, that return on investment. So it's like, I spent all this time, a lot of my free time, getting videos posted for the channel, and it's just to the point where I just had to take a break from it. Had to take probably a few weeks off. Once they get these doors in and get some various things done around the house, I think I'll be able to focus back more on computer tech videos, because I do enjoy doing the videos and working on stuff there in the computer room. But I can tell you though, when things are busy at work and you got stuff going on with the home project, it's just sometimes you gotta take a break from it. So yeah, guys, I'm doing okay. doing okay. Just like I mentioned, combination of the home project, the back doors, stuff like that, and just for my overall mental health, just need to stop for a while and take a little break from regularly posting videos. Now I do, as I mentioned, I do have some videos that I shot back in, I think it was October. Some like some clean out videos and also some other miscellaneous stuff that I have to get edited and published. But I'll be doing that soon, maybe this week or next week. But yeah, it's tell you guys, sometimes you just gotta take a break for a little bit. Anyways, that's a quick little update. Hope you all enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.
Well, everybody, that wraps it up for this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like the video, leave a comment, subscribe to Cube channel, and be sure to tick the bell. That way you get notified of new video posts. Also, I recommend following Cube Company on Facebook. A link is in the video description. In addition to computer tech videos, I have a second channel, cubecompmtdx. Links are available at the end of this video. Again, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching and your support.